смотрите. Жека, you can also see me. Vladimir, you think so? It's a coin flip with a 5x on the fly guys on the top slot. No, he just lost his voice in it. Vladimir. It's impossible. Zhaka, how it's even possible? 5x on coin flip right now. 5x on a coin flip. Five X on a coin flip, by the way, gotta hear right now. Red on the blue side of a coin, Zeka. Red side with a 500x and the blue side with a 10x multiplier, guys. Hello, Mr. Beast. We have a big multiplier and a coin flip. We need a 500x. No problem. Mr. Beast said a 500. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a coin flip with a 500x multiplier. Thank you, Mr. Beast. Thank you so much, buddy.
For you there. Thank you for some time, please. You mean can I touch my nose with my tongue? No, I cannot. Like, oh, Betsyka's luck. Kingsman in a house. That's the attitude. I like it. How you doing? 10 cent cash hunt on the top slots. Have you seen the last Kingsman movie, the third part? I haven't. Cash hunt, baby! Come on, come on, come on! Yeah! Let's go, guys! Cash hunt! With the 10x multi! Bring it on! Woo! Welcome to the hunting grounds of the cash hunt! Let's go, guys! We have 10x booster on the cash hunt! You're gonna add 10 to all these. Woo! This is what we're talking about! Bring it on 1000x highest multi! Let's go! Woo! Oh yeah! That's the way we like it! Na 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 na! So now we shuffle, buff them up for all those multis. And ladies and gentlemen, whoo! Now, all the best everybody, choose your target. All the best, you have one shot at this. It is dramatic because it is dramatic. Yeah, final seconds. Oh my, I can't. Even I feel worried. Okay, let's reel those multis. Bring it on, please. My congratulations and compliments to our winners. Good job. Enjoy. 6 players found 1000x. More than 200 players found 500x. Enjoy more than 3.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to